Alright, this is my Traxxas Stampede. It's just a two-wheel drive model with the brush motor. This is going to be my first modification slash upgrade. Just got some new wheels and tires for it. 10-spoke. I actually don't know what these are. I kind of got them on eBay. It's a pretty good deal for a set of 4. So if anybody knows what these are, these wheels or tires, if you let me know, I'd appreciate it. They are not Pro Lines, that's for sure. So they're a little bit taller than what's on there, and the offset on the wheels anyways, they're a little taller. I think it'll give me a little more ground clearance, but it'll slow the truck down a little because it's gonna gear it up because of the taller tires. But I am running the lower gear ratio pinion, so it should be okay with them. But the offset is different. It mounts more towards the center, and these mount more towards the outside, so it actually pushes the wheel further out, but it'll make the truck wider, so it's less likely to flip over, which I want. But I didn't plan for that intentionally because I had no idea what offset these wheels are when I got them. But it's actually a different offset, so it gives the truck a wider stance too, so that's great. So I'm going to throw these on here and see what they look like. So there's a before and after. I think they look pretty sweet. It looks kind of cool like that. You can see it's raked a little because they're taller in the back. But I wanted to show you everything straighten out. I'm steering up there. You can see they stick out a little. Like I said, the offset. Now they're the same width. So they're just as wide. A little bit taller. There you go. You can see it just sits wider. So this thing tips over in the corners. So that wider stance should help it from tipping over. Kind of curious. I'm gonna have to try to run it like that to see how it affects handling. Being slightly taller in the back with the front raked down like that might give it better turning and shit, so it dice corners better. I'm gonna have to try it with stock tires and just the big ones in the back with the stock up front, and then the bigger ones front and rear. Alright, well, there's all 4 mounted up. Looks pretty sweet, I think. I'll have to take it out and take them for a spin and see how they do. Looks pretty sweet.